Oilers, it's Tian, your virtual anchor for this not quite virtual episode 20 of Campus Update. I have 10 classes right now, so I'm freaking out. How about you? If you're watching this, I applaud your ability to multitask. Our episode today is mostly shelter-in-place self-care stuff, so it's going to be lots of fun. Let's start with a little segment on how to get a little exercise in the relative comfort of your home.
This quarantine has kept us from doing the sports and outdoor activities we love. With gyms and fitness centers being closed, it's hard to stay fit. But there are many ways to stay healthy at home. I'm going to show you some easy workouts you can do in the comfort of your home. To show you these simple at-home workouts, I have my fitness fanatic brother, Reed.
Hi.
The first workout my brother will show you are push-ups. Very simple, but they are very effective. The second simple exercise is squats. You can do them the way Reed is doing them, or to make it harder, you can hold weights. This core strengthening workout is called bicycle crunches. To do it, repeatedly touch your elbow to your opposite knee at Reed's speed, or any speed you like. If you have weights, you can do curls, but if those are too heavy for you, you can use something lighter, like canned food. If you want to discover more workouts, then go to YouTube and search Workouts at Home, and there will be a big selection of simple workout videos to choose from.
Thanks, Adam. Your brother sure has got game in the workout fashion department. Back in virtual school, APA has been trying to figure out how to keep the performing arts alive in an era where people can't rehearse together and audiences can't gather to watch. Here's Haley to get us up to speed on a few projects in the works and other things in the APA universe.
What's happening?
Hey Oilers! You've probably noticed that APA's been doing quite a few things to keep you entertained for these next few months. First up, the APA staff made these lawn signs for all of the APA seniors. You can find pictures of many of your friends with their signs on the APA Instagram. Also on the Instagram, you can find links to the APA movie nights every single Friday. If you're looking for even more APA content in your future, then you're in luck. Look out for the Virtual Academy Awards on June 6th. This live-streamed event will be just as fun as usual, but from the safety of our own homes. Be sure to tune into this event to see your APA friends celebrated and recognized for their hard work this year. Last but not least, MMET specifically is going to be showing virtual versions of both Retrofest and Media's Film Fest. We currently don't have exact release dates for either of these events, but we'll keep you updated. Be sure to tune in for all these awesome events because your APA friends are putting a lot of hard work into them.
Every Friday at 7 p.m. is APA Movie Night, so check social media for links and information so you can hang out and watch APA shows together.
Teachers' Pets!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Meyers, and this is my dog Eevee. She loves to chase squirrels, find some good spots to sleep in, and she loves her toys.
Hey teachers, if you have any non-human members of your family you'd like featured on the show, email us or something.
With so many people having downtime or needing to escape into the virtual world of entertainment, finding a new show to binge can sometimes be difficult. Here's Annika with some recommendations on cool new movies and shows you can stream on demand.
Hey Oilers, if you're bored during quarantine or just want a break from all your schoolwork, I have personally chosen a large selection of totally binge-worthy shows you can stream on all your favorite platforms such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu. Just as a quick warning, most of these shows are rated TVMA or TV-14 and their ratings will be shown on the screen. Thanks! During this quarantine, it's hard not to feel like the world is ending, but for these characters in Netflix show Daybreak, it actually did. This action comedy follows the 17-year-old Josh Wheeler in a search for his missing girlfriend based in post-apocalyptic Glendale, California. If you are into the whole apocalypse genre, the show Rim of the World, also on Netflix, is another great option about 4 teenagers trying to save the world after aliens invade their planet. Talking about other worlds, have you ever wondered what happens when you die? Who's the Good Place is a great show about a woman named Eleanor Shellstrop who is welcomed by Michael into the heaven-like utopia that he designed, called The Good Place. Fast forwarding to 2033 and Amazon Prime's new show Upload. Humans are now able to upload themselves into a virtual afterlife of their choosing. When computer programmer Nathan dies, he is uploaded, but soon finds himself controlled by his alive girlfriend Ingrid. On the last season of Netflix show On My Block, it left viewers on a suspenseful ending, but that has all been remedied by the new season that was just recently released. If you are new to the show, On My Block is a coming-of-age story about 4 bright, street-savvy friends navigating their way through high school in the inner city of South Central Los Angeles. Dealing with the danger of getting their friend out of a gang and searching for treasure leaves this group of friends plenty of conflicts to overcome.
Thanks, Annika. You'll need some yummy treats while you Netflix. So here's Christopher to show you how to make easy sugar cookies from scratch on this segment of Quarantine Cooking.
Hey Oilers, today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies. To make these cookies, you'll need 1 cup of butter, which is 2/6, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar. To start, add your flour, baking soda, and baking powder in a small bowl, then stir.
In a large bowl, mix your sugar and butter together until it's smooth. Add your egg and vanilla extract into the larger bowl. Mix that together. Now, gradually add in your flour into the larger bowl. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for those of you that use the metric system. Get out a pan and put some parchment paper on it, then scoop some cookie dough and put it on the pan. Put the pan in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. After you remove the cookies from the oven, let them sit for about 2 minutes. There, you've done it. You made sugar cookies. Enjoy.
Well, that's it for this time, Oilers. That was fun. Hoped you liked it. See you at the beach. Or, maybe not. Also, we have an Instagram. Follow us at HBHS Campus Update.